Okay, it's do or die time. Joe has not had his Wheaties this morning. It's do or die. I'm here by myself and I've got to try to get this up there. And I think I'm okay right where I'm at with the video camera. Maybe I'll move the video camera a little bit. I'll move it over here a little bit, right like that. Okay. All right. I guess I'm going to try it right there. No tricks. And see, if I can't get it perfect, I got the bolts up, right? So I can kind of set those down on the bottom of the toilet and kind of lift it up again, take a break or something. Okay. Now first I want to figure out where I have to be on my hands to lift this because it's heavy, and the last thing I want is to have my hands in the wrong place. Okay, here we go. About there. Huh? No, see, I know I have to go over to the left, so now I can lift it and slide it. I think I'm too close to the wall. Okay, so I can lift it and slide it because I saw where the caulking is. I'm setting it, I'm taking a break. It's right on the holes. Oh, there it is. There. Right there. Wow. Okay. I can just rest it right there for a minute. Looks like I've got to slide it over a little bit. And it's not hurting the wax or the waxless ring, is it? It's not hurting it at all. And you know, it seems like it's up just a hair. I'm not sure if I have to take that black thing off, because remember, I was up like a 1/16 of an inch. Remember it said flush. It said flush or under. Okay, here we go. Nope. See, that's where I need to be, and I'm not down tight. I'm off just barely, which means I'm gonna have to pull that toilet back up, and it's okay. I can do that. See how it's rocking? I'm up too high because that spacer. You know what? Maybe I can cut that. Maybe I can trim the foam just a hair because I only need it a little bit. Because I'm afraid that if I take the foam spacer out, then maybe it's going to be just slightly too low. I don't know. Okay. What I do know is I have to lift this off. Okay. Okay, here we go. Looks like my spacer came off with it. My blue thing. Yeah, it's underneath here. There it is. Okay. Yeah. My black spacer, I think, is just a hair too high. Just a hair. Let's see if there's anything I can do about that, or I'm just going to have to take that spacer out, make a corporate decision, and leave the spacer out. Okay, stick around. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.